Hello everyone, welcome back to RR Consultancy Assignment Guidance. In this video, we will learn how to create a distribution plot in Python using the Seaborn library. Distribution plots help us to understand how data values are spread across the dataset. So basically, the distribution plots are useful for identifying patterns in data. They help us to analyze whether data is evenly distributed, concentrated, or skewed. So at first we have imported the required libraries here. Then we have created a sample dataset representing exam scores. And finally, we have created the distribution plot using the C1 library. Now let's understand the distribution plot. Each of the bars represent the frequency of four ranges. The taller bars indicate that more values fall within that interval. And the smooth curved line, which is called the KDE curve, this helps to visualize the overall distribution pattern. Since the most of the scores are concentrated between 70 to 90, the data appears concentrated. The data appears centered around the higher values. And this plot helps us to understand the shape and concentration of the dataset more efficiently. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have found anything helpful within this video, then please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for these types of videos.